today's video, I want to be showing you how to make a hair growth oil. The first item on my list is onions. Onions is one of the items that I will be using. It promotes hair growth and it makes the hair thick. So I will be cutting it into half. I'm going to use half of this. I'll slice this a little, then set it aside to dry. I'll also be using moringa leaf for this. Now the next item on my list is chia seed. Chia seed helps to promote hair growth. It has omega fatty acids that nourishes the scalp to promote hair growth. The next item is moringa seed. Moringa seed also helps to promote hair growth. Fenugreek seed is also one of the items that helps to promote hair growth. So I'm going to be using those. Next on my list is rosemary leaf. Rosemary leaf is a popular leaf that we all know that promotes hair growth. And the next on my list again is cloves. Cloves also helps to promote hair growth. I then go ahead to grind all these and keep it aside for the next process. I'll be adding in my carrier oil. You can add any carrier oil of your choice. It can be a castor oil, coconut oil, olive oil, any carrier oil of your choice. Now I'm gonna be adding the carrier oil. After the carrier oil, I'm adding onions and aloe vera. Like I said, I dried it a little bit, so add it into the carrier oil. Next, I'll be adding in my grind ingredients. I decided to add a rosemary that was not ground. This is the second rosemary I'm adding to this. I then add my dried moringa leaves to the carrier oil and allow this to boil. Guys, one thing you should know is that this is going to have an aroma that you wouldn't like to be on your hair. So I'm gonna be doing some stuff to remove the odor from the oil. So one thing you should do is to make sure that there's no odor in the oil. Now I'm sealing this with a sheet cloth. Next is to add peppermint oil to this. The peppermint oil helps to stimulate the scalp for hair growth, and one thing it does to this is that it removes the excess odor. It helps to minimize the odor. I'm also going to be adding glycerin to the mixture. Next, I added palm kernel oil to this.
I also added vitamin oil to this.
After stirring the mixture, I'm going to transfer it in an empty container. Now you can decide to add some recipe or not if you wish. I then added some rosemary in